cold start. It sounds better than what it used to, but you can still see all that smoke. All that smoke. That's that big cam smoke there, boy. Yeah. So yeah. The cold start, it sounds better than what it did before, man. It's clean, man. It's quiet. Before, it was nasty. That cold start, look, check out that video where I did that cold start, like when I first bought the truck. It don't sound nothing like that, man. That shit's smooth, baby. Smooth. That motherfucker's smooth now. Yeah. Boy, WW Logistics, boy, they got that thing sounding good, man. Boy, Cody King got that thing sounding good. Good job, Cody, boy. Good job, man. That thing's just quiet, man. Fuck, look at that. Got a load. About to go crank up, baby. We about to crank up. We about to make this motherfucking money. We about to make this motherfucking money.